A random family emailed me saying, could you build our son a bionic arm? So the first thing I did was say, yes, like, we'll try. And then I called all my friends because I said, I don't know how to do that. Do you know how to do that? And we started putting things together on the computer using Autodesk and the same 3D printer that our university had, which was the same one that we had in the high school program. And so that gave me that starting point. And from there, we were able to build on that to be able to create that very first bionic arm for a child that first summer. Little by little, we started getting flooded with emails from families all over the world, sending us pictures of their child, sharing their story and their challenges of being able to get a prosthetic. And I think that was the day where a lot of our original co-founders, we looked at each other and we said, you know, I just can't walk away from this.
A lot of people ask, like, what happened to your hand? What happened to your hand? That was like the most common question. But now, like when I would wear it, they're like, where did you get that cool hand? Where did you get that? How can I get one? And like everyone's mood changed from like sad to like excited and like curious.
Albert, to take away someone's shyness or not being able to talk or come out because they're missing a limb, and to take that and put it aside. Don't worry about it. I can't be any more proud to know that he's a part of that, and Project Lead the Way was right in the middle of it, all the way from start to finish.